Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I'm going to make you people understand how to draw the parts of skeleton of frog. This is the first lecture about the skeleton of frog. And here is I have drawn here to save the time. I have already drawn the pelvic girdle of frog. Okay, pelvic girdle of frog. You see, this is the part of question number 3. This is the part of question number 3. Well, you would be asked in question number 3, pick out the dash from the skeleton of frog. What is that dash? From the paper SATA, the key is sent to the examiner, where he has to fill that dash. He has to say that, hi students, you have to draw that very part of skeleton of frog. That part can be pelvic girdle or pectoral girdle or ninth vertebra or eighth vertebra or typical vertebra or axis vertebra or atlas vertebra or urostyle or what the skull of frog, dorsal view or ventral view, whatsoever. Okay, so today I have tried to tell you people how to draw. This is the from here to here. This is the I should say the left side of the ilium. Okay, this is ilium. This is again ilium. Sorry. This is also ilium. This is the right side of ilium. This one. Okay. This is called iliac crest. Iliac crest. Okay. And this one is what? Pubis. Okay. And this is ischium. What? Ischium. Well, this is the side view of what? The pelvic girdle of frog. This is crest. Okay, crest of ilium, and this is from here to here and up to here. This is ilium. Now here is the acetabulum. This one. This is the cavity. Which is called acetabulum. Here in this cavity, the head of femur is attached over here. Okay. Now this is you're looking at the pelvic girdle from the side view. Okay. I can tell you people that this is the right side of frog, and towards the other side that would be left, and this is anterior side, and this is the posterior side. Here is this point where this is the facet where the ninth vertebra is attached. Okay, this is what? Acetabulum. This name is given to this cavity after that very part, that very uh, structure in which in Greek mythology, it is said that the Greek gods, they used to drink the wine in that cup which was known as acetabulum. Okay, so acetabulum is given the name. This acetabulum, this cavity, is given the name after that very acetabulum which was used by the Greek gods. Okay. Now this is the dorsal side. This is the lit. This is what the I mean left side of the frog. Okay, side view. This is side view, and this is what the dorsal view. Dorsal view of the of pelvic girdle. So here is again, if you bring this structure to this side, okay, and you look from here, how would you see? This is again acetabulum. Okay, and this is what ischium, and here is on this side. On this side, there is small piece which you can see. Piece of what? This is what the pubis. Small part of the pubis you can see, and here is ilium. This one. This is again what, from here to here. This is all what? This is now the right side of the ilium, and this is left side. Okay, this is ilium, and this is iliac crust. Iliac crust. This is this one and this one. This is what? Ilium. Okay. Again, this is acetabulum of left side, and this is the acetabulum of right side. So this is very fairly, you can point it out here. So all is about how to draw the pelvic girdle of frog. What? Pelvic girdle of frog. You have to start from here. Okay, here, like this, and then from here, like this. Okay, this is what the iliac crust. This is again iliac crust, and ilium is attached with pubis. Ilium is attached with pubis. Okay, and pubis comes up to here, I should say, up to here. This is what? Pubis. Okay, and this is ilium, should I say. Well, this is what? Acetabulum. This one. This is the cavity, and this is from here to here, up to here. This is what? Ischium, and this bone is what? The pubis. So this is all about how to draw the pelvic girdle of frog. In the end, I would like to tell you people, you have to draw just one figure, either this one or this one. The examiner would tell you people, as per instructions which come from the board, either you have to draw the dorsal side of the pelvic girdle or the lateral side. Okay, thank you very much. If you haven't stood well, you send it this video to your friends.